Welcome to Preform Line Products. This video covers the installation of the Maxtensor MX2-DT. Be sure to select the proper size product for the wire to be used. Start with wires that overlap. Next, find the arrows on the splice and insert the wires in the direction of the arrows. After the wires are inserted, be sure to leave 4 inches of a tail for tensioning purposes. If tensioning is desired, grab your MX AC, open the handles so the head of the tool can accept the wire, insert the wire to be tensioned, then close the handles. Repeat if necessary. For MX2-DT, retensioning is possible. Use the included retensioning tool by inserting it in the hole above the wire. This will release the wire, allowing you to remove it. This completes the installation of the MX2-DT. For more information, please visit preform.com. All safety guidelines set forth in the appropriate application procedure for this product must be reviewed and followed prior to installing this product. The installation shown is intended to illustrate the application method of the product only. It is not intended to supersede any company construction or safety standards or the use of required protective equipment.